So today's video is going to be an updated, no foundation makeup routine. Well, not really makeup, well, yeah, makeup routine sort of. I think the last no foundation makeup that I did was back in August 2019 if I'm not mistaken. So nag-iiba-iba lang yung products. Sometimes nag-iiba yung technique, but yeah, I think I'm going to update you guys every now and then kasi iba-iba yung products na ginagamit ko and iba-iba din naman yung technique na ginagawa ko to achieve a no foundation makeup routine. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. So if you're not going to use foundation, of course you have to make sure na maganda yung base mo still. So skin prep is the key to success. After maligo or hilamos, use a toner, your favorite toner. And yung current toner na ginagamit ko is from Fresh Skin Lab Milk White Exfoliating Toner. So far, so good. Guys, nag-iba ako ng angulo because it's early in the morning, so yung lighting natin parang hindi pa siya ganun kabongga. So after the toner, I'm going to put my favorite current skincare. Ayan, yung booster serum. So I put the serum first because it's the most important thing na dapat ma-absorb ng skin. Next is Fresh Skin Lab Hyaluronic Water Drop Cream with vitamin C. As usual, while waiting for my skincare to absorb, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Since we're not using foundation, yung eyebrows ko hindi rin naman like super duper plakado. I just like try to even it out. Now, next step you guys is very important, lalo na kung wala kang foundation. If you have perfect skin, you can stop right here. Like, congratulations, you have perfect skin. Pero, I wanna brighten up my look a little bit more. So, maglalagay ako ng sunscreen or sunblock. You can use your favorite sunscreen or sunblock. Basta yung sunscreen or sunblock na yung parang medyo may konting a little bit of white cast. Itong gamit ko is from VT Cosmetics. Ito talaga meron siyang like instant brightening effect. Other brands na gustong-gusto ko is yung mga sunscreen sunblock ng Etude House. Himbelo, I don't like it that much. Ano pa ba? Althea Korea, that's one of my favorites for the longest time. Ayan no, instant bright effect. Now I add a little bit more dun sa mga reddish area. So after the sunblock, meron pa akong isa pang layer, and this will serve as my parang highlighter na rin and parang final touch to achieve like a somehow healthy looking, fresh looking skin. Oh, I'm talking about ever favorite, you know this, yung Pond's Glow Up Cream, and I'm gonna highlight it on the areas na ayan, yung parang magandang may pag-glass skin effect. Alright guys, next step is the blush. And kapag you don't have foundation, you don't have BB cream, the best blush I suggest you can use is cream blushes or yung mga liquid blushes kasi skin na yan eh. So wala siyang like a foundation or BB cream na kakapitan. So maganda na parang ano lang din, magbo-blend lang din sa skin mo yung yung blush mo. Pero like you can use powders, you can use whatever, girl. So for today, I'm going to use itong sa EB Advance, yung kanilang Power Paint Multi-Use Color Cream. And I'm going to use the shade Chiffon. And Guys, alam niyo ba? I have a review on this. I have swatches and this is like kiss-proof and long-lasting on the lips. And long-lasting din naman siya on the cheeks. But you have to be very careful in using it kasi a little goes a long way. It's super pigmented. And magandang maglagay ng cream or liquid foundation kapag ka medyo basa pa yung skin mo. Kasi chararat yung mga cream foundations or yung mga liquid foundations if you have like, ang tawag dito, dry skin. Lagyan ko ng konting Pond's Insta Bright. Kaka-cheek ako nag-dry na yung skin ko. Ayan. So, I'm just gonna wet it up. Next I'm going to do is the eyes. Syempre, ayoko naman maging like the typical no makeup look. Lagyan naman natin ng konting like sass. So, I'm going to use etong Vice Cosmetics BT21 palette. I'm going to take this shade. And then just roughly apply it sa eyelids. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then sa ilalim as well. And then using a smaller brush, I'm going to take yung dark powder and then apply it like really close to my lash area. Paunti-unti lang, slowly but like surely. Para mag-widen yung eyes ko at the same time, ma-define pa siya. Focusing it lang talaga dito sa outer. I'm going to use mascara, no eyeliner. Basta mga like 50 to 100 strokes ng mascara is enough. And I am really loving itong sa Perfect Diary, you guys. Taviant eyeliner in Doyenne. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Doyenne. But I got this on sale, you guys. For mga nasa 200 something lang siya. And then do this. Then I'm gonna highlight my eye bags. Then a little bit below my eyebrows. Then I'm going to contour my nose. Guys, if you want to achieve like an extra sharp na nosicles, use an eyeliner or a stick highlighter instead of like your powder highlighter. For the lips, I want to do yung style na I usually do if I want to have a long-lasting lip color. Not necessarily one product lang, basta like hindi ako mauubusan ng color on my lips. Kahit mag-iba na siya throughout the day, as long as I won't look pale or I won't look dead, lalo na pag kumain ako. So first thing I'm going to do is mag-apply ako ng lip tint, and ang pinakamatinding lip tint that I have, you guys, is from Self Beauty Glam Up Tint. This is in my Caris shop. Nandun pa ba yan? Link down below. So now that we have a tint, I'm going to use a lipstick. This is from BLK All Day Intense Matte Lipstick in the shade Beautiful. Wait, I want it to look lighter. Hold on. Maybelline Powder Matte Lipstick in the shade Just a Teaser. Looks like that. EB Advance Limited Liquid Lipstick in the shade Red Carpet. And then of course we have to set everything. Ang gagamitin ko today is from VT Cosmetics. Ito yung VTX BTS Super Tempting Face Fixer. You can use whatever face mist you want. Gusto ko lang gamitin yung mga face mist ko. Alright guys, so we are done for today's makeup look. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. And if you have video requests, don't forget to comment it down below. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!